how to automatically save your stories to your archives on Instagram. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to save your stories to your archive on your Instagram. So it's so easy and quick. First thing, go to your Instagram and click on your profile. Now click on those three lines up there. Click on the first option, which is setting. Now click on privacy, scroll down and click on story. Scroll down and click on, like you see, I already turned on this option, which is save story to my archive. So this is automatically save my stories to my archive on Instagram, so I don't have to save it on my phone. Only what I can do is come to my Instagram and click on archive and see all my past stories. So this is it guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video don't forget to subscribe and like.